Hi everyone, this is Noah. Today I'd like to introduce one of the best trending products in the field of HVAC. The Eco-pair Energy Recovery Ventilator. Firstly, 2 units of Eco-pair ERV can work in pairs to provide comfortable breathing environment in small premises. The room area for the ventilators in pairs is suggested up to 50 square meters. The distance between the pairs should not exceed 15 meters. Secondly, it's easy to install the Eco-pair ERV. At first, drill a hole in the wall. Then put the outer duct out of the wall. There might be a little gap between the wall and the duct. Therefore, you should fill the gap with the glue outside. And lastly, put the fan on the surface wall as the location. Then you can connect the ERV units to the power. Besides, the Eco-pair can work with other types of ERV and HRV, such as ceiling types and wall-mounted types. You can set programs by the intelligent smart home app to control the ERV. The connection is wireless, which is very convenient and cost-efficient. If you are interested in our Eco-pair Energy Recovery Ventilator, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our Holtop YouTube channel. Thank you.